Hello students, myself Dr. Diksha. Though I am a doctor by profession, but I have been a tutor past 6 to 7 years as I am always been passionate about it. So this is all about me. Starting with the main thing for today, I am starting a new YouTube channel that will deal with science as my main subject that I will teach in this channel. Many of you might have been inspired to become doctors and engineers, for which, as we all know, cracking JE and NEET is utmost important. So my main motive through this channel, through my videos, is to just clear your concepts and make you understand that how can you apply your knowledge and how can you help clearing those entrances by answering the various question and answers that come in the examination. Also, I would like to tell you that how will I start my videos and what type of teaching plan would I follow. I will be first taking up class 9th science, as it is the beginner stage for all the students who've been aspiring for NEET and JEE. My videos will be completely NCERT based with a very basic extra things included in it. Very important thing which I will include is the question answers round after every 2 to 3 topics that I will cover. So let's begin with the main thing, that is chapter number 1 of class 9th science, which is matter in our surroundings. It is a very basic chapter which falls under chemistry. Chemistry is the subject which deals with the study of chemicals. You will be understanding every concept turn by turn so that you get very clear that what is it actually talking about. And my dear students, rather than cramming or understanding or grabbing things, you just need to know that why is it happening and why are we studying that, right? Starting with the next, I have made and divided this chapter into various parts. So I will begin with part 1 in the start. Part 1 will deal with introductory matter. Basically, first thing which we will study will be what is matter, right? As the chapter name suggests, matter in our surroundings. So the very first topic which we will start will be what is matter. I will tell you the introduction to matter. What does matter consist of? Secondly, that what is there in the matter? How can we classify matter? What are the various stages and what is matter making up? How do we indulge into it? 4 basic characteristic of matter. That is, what does it matter contains and how is that matter showing its own property, which is very important to understand. After I will cover this basic 4 topics in part 1, I will take up a question answer round. This question answers will include every type of question that could come in the examination. I will take question answers from NCERT exemplar, some important CBSE past year questions, as well as some extra questions which I think can come in your examination based on these 4 topics itself. So yes, I have divided the question answers according to these 4 topics. You will only have to cover part 1 first. I will also make you understand part 1 very clearly. We will have a question answer round, clear the things, prepare these 4 topics as a test, and then we will be moving ahead to part 2. So my coming 4 to 5 videos will be just based on part 1 of this chapter. I would advise you to go turn by turn following the sequence so that it gets everything. I hope I be helpful to you and you might be able to understand whatever I teach you. One more thing I would like to add, that you need not to study anything else apart from this. My topics will cover my video will cover topics from NCERT, some extra things which I feel that is important. I will be covering almost everything that could come in your examination. So you need not to worry about that we haven't studied something extra or we haven't done from it from the NCERT. I will be covering almost everything. You can depend upon my lessons for your examination point of view. Any recommendations you want to add on, you can please tell me, and follow me up for my next videos. Thank you very much.